it's been a while. I haven't posted videos in a long time, and I recently got halo extensions, and I wanted to post a review for you guys because before I got them, I was looking to see if there was any good reviews, and I could not find any. So I figured I should post one for the people who are looking to buy them. So the halo extensions are really thick extensions that are one strand that go around your head like a halo. They're really easy to wear and they look so good on. My hair is already long. This is my natural hair. I'll even show you guys the back. But anyways, I got the 22-inch halos. They come in a box like this, and you have to get them from somebody who sells them. Luckily, my mom is a hairstylist and she sells them. So she got them for me. So they came in a blue box like this, and you open it and you get your hair, and then it also comes with a comb. So this is the string that's attached, and this is what you put around your head. It comes with an extra one too, just in case it rips. There's an extra one in the box. I haven't used it because mine has not ripped. And if you want to know the color of mine, it's 116. That's the number, 116. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to put these in. I got used to it right after the first time. I'll even help like my friends put them in, or if my mom wants to wear them because we have the same hair color, I'll put them in for her as well. So all you really need is a hair tie and then this tail comb. And my mirror is right over here, so I'm going to be looking here. Also, if you guys want me to show you some hairstyles that make it blend more, let me know. I will make you guys some videos of hairstyles using halo extensions. They are also very thick. That's what I love about them. They're so thick and long, and it's just like one piece, you know, so you don't have to add like a bunch of clip-ins in your hair. And you know, if you want like clip-ins to look thick, you're going to end up adding about like 5 or 6 clip-ins like all around your hair. So luckily this one is just one strand. So make sure you're going to part your hair the way you want it to be parted while you have the extensions in. I part mine in the middle. And then you're going to go about 2 inches back. So you go 2 inches back and then grab the hair from here and then do the same with the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect because once we put the extensions in, we're going to play with the hair. And then from the back, you're just going to go ahead and just take as much as you could. You don't have to take too much. Make sure the line is straight because this is going to be where the band is going to go. So I go ahead and tie this in a bun. Once you do that, your hair is going to look like this. Then you're going to want to take the extension and put the extensions under your bun, and then make sure you take the band here and put it right where that line is. I like to pull the hairs out, like I just tug on them to make sure they don't get caught in the band, and same with up here. So now that I have the extensions on, I'm going to go ahead and put my bun down. So I put my hair down. So this is how my hair looks with the extensions, but they don't feel as secure as they should. Now I'm going to take the comb and I'm just going to brush through the sides of my hair just to make sure the band doesn't show. And then I'm going to do the same with the other side. So what I like to do is I like to take the tail comb and I find where the band is, and then I like to just slide it through and grab any hairs I cut out. And then do that in the front and the back of the band. Same with the other side. And then the back of my hair is really loose. There's only a little bit of my real hair out. So I like to just take the comb and pull out some hair. You could do that while your hair is already in a bun, but I like to do it after so I could see how my hair looks and how much hair I need to take out, because my hair is a little bit darker than the extension, so I don't want to take too much out to make it look fake. I like to just take as much as I need to cover the extensions. And then this is how they look. I don't know if you could see the difference. Because the band is so thin and the hair is so thick, it ends up digging into your scalp, so it could sometimes bother you. The only time I've had that issue really is when I was walking in my first cousin's wedding, and I had them in from 10 in the morning till like 12 at night. I ended up taking them out before the party ended because they were actually bothering me. That was the only time I've had a problem with them. Other than that, they're perfect. And everybody did compliment my hair because it looks so thick and so long. If you guys do want to purchase them, my mom could sell them to you. Just let me know what color you want and how many inches you want, and we can go ahead and do that too. But I love them. I think the color is perfect. Sometimes it doesn't match, but I will literally just like pull my hair back like this and like pin it, and you can't even tell. I love these. This is how they look in my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and take them out to show you how easy it is. It's like so much better than having to put clip-ins or like tape-ins that damage your hair. And even those clicks, the beads that people put in their hair for like permanent extensions, those are all so damaging for your hair. So that's why I love this. It does not even damage my hair. Like, it doesn't even touch my hair basically because it's a band. And I'm going to show you guys how I take these out because it's so easy. I basically just like pull it up and they come out. I just find the edges and then I lift them and then the whole thing comes off. And they do feel really loose when they're on, but that's just how they feel. Trust me, no matter what you do, they will not fall off. I've tried so many things. I danced with them. I went to the club with them. I've been to a wedding with them, like I said earlier, and nothing has ever happened. Nobody even notices that I have extensions in, and they don't even fall out or anything. And I have tried clip-ons before, and my clip-ons usually always fall out, and it's such a headache for me. And they're always in my purse by the end of the night. So it wasn't even worth it for me to wear clip-ons anymore. But this is just perfect. I love, love, love the packaging. It's so pretty. And I just hope you guys like this video. And if you have any questions or you want me to show you guys how I style them or a more in-depth review about them and about how long they took to come in and all that stuff, I will be more than happy to do that for you. Alright, hope you guys like this video. Comment any questions that you guys have, and this is my hair without the extension. I'll see you guys later and let me know what other videos you guys want me to do.